We are in the lab version. This is Halloween update. Alright, let's go. So, new map, Monster House. It's like tag now. I told you. It's not tag. It's really just tag. I need other people to be in here so I can. Yeah, it's gonna give me the monster soon. But this is the update right now. Just let me know. This tech web maybe get new items. Just maybe get new items and cosmetics, but I'm not sure. Look at all this pancake. Yeah, I'm the monster now. Oh, teleports. Oh, I didn't know those were a thing. Yeah, but now I'm monster. I can only see red now. Why would I can? I can't see. Also, here's a cool trick. Alright, here's a cool trick. I'm now the speed of light. I am the speed. But this is the whole update for Yeeps right now.